Means beef.
Malawi is Africa.
Yeah, it's Africa.
Where Central Africa?
Southwest, East,
It's South.
your neighboring countries.
Neighboring countries, Zimbabwe and South Africa.
Very
South
far from
Africa.
Uganda.
Yes, it's near to South Africa.
South Africa.
Oh, right.
You're right. Nice country. Nice country.
Good. You go, man. What's up, man?
So
We
Patrick,
are from Philippines. Christian.
Christian.
Christian, huh?
Kazim, yes.
Christian.
Yeah, Christian. God bless you.
Okay. God bless. Netherlands. Malawi.
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 So kung imo kong business ayon, Mandawi ako na.
Let's go, New Zealand! What's up, New Zealand? Here we go.
زوارنا الكرام
New Zealand. New Zealand. ها؟
Panya.
إن ارتداء الكمامات في الأماكن المفتوحة غير إلزامي ولكن لحماية أنفسكم والآخرين.
May ato yung kumakuha na ako sa vlog. Oh.
Normal lang ilang tutoy ipakita eh. Pero sa mga patan to, wala makabuo ng mga patan.
Wala yung patandre. Dakpo na sila.
Makita patan bitaw. Magkasalimo ang patan kita.
Na sila pero dili sila mag-uniform ng ilang.
Ilang vestida.
For your safety and the safety of others, it is encouraged at entertaining venues with large attendance.
New Zealand.
Dili sa tao. Ano yung tanong kay? Gwapo ni control na kinakag kiwi ba?
New Zealand. Pusa natin yung New Zealand. Dito na kami sa New Zealand.
Kaya
New
balik
Zealand.
itong atong tatuyok. Ato ta guwa sa tunga.
New Zealand. There we go. Engo be ko dire ta kano mar. Oo. Pero lami akay ay piste. May anamad. New Zealand na naman kami. New Zealand. There we go, New Zealand.